I'm back with another video. Wait, let me do my color. Okay, got that done. So we're playing some basketball outside. That's what we're gonna do. So I'll be back when I going down the stairs between my bike. So I'll be back. Open door. It's basketball. Okay, well, it's bright out. Oh, my legs are numb. It smells so good. No. Ow, my eyes. The only thing I hate about Sunny, right when you come out of inside your house, it's like super like normal inside your house. So when you come out, it's like it's super bright. I moved my hoop so you guys would have a better view of it all the time, and so I could ride my bike around the yard without hitting the hoop. All right, there's my hoop. All right, let's go. Oh my God, good way to start the video. Oh my God. Oh, got them handles. Got them handles. Oh shit. Got them handles. I can't get. It's hard to dribble on dirt. All right, let's shoot. Good job, James. Oh my God. Garbage right now. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'll back you guys up so you guys can see me shoot from anywhere. There you. All right. Yeah, that's good. Let's go. Ready. Oh, damn it. I just got my bed from my own way. I need to get something in. Guys, by the way, I was just faking all that. Ready? Watch this. What'd I say? What did I say? I can't get it. I can't do it. What? Oh my God. Why am I shooting like this? I know how to dribble. I'm already tired. Trust me, guys. I usually can make this all the time. I don't know what's happening. Get money from the corner, but not here. Come on. I need that lucky box. Watch your never wet. Oh, or not. Oh! Ow! Are you right here? I'm right here. It's wet. See? What'd I say? Oh, I'm thinking I can see the hoop. I'm gonna be turning if you guys didn't see the hoop. What the hell, guys? Don't tell me anything about driving now. Yo, what the heck? Did you guys hear that? There's my dog. Wait a minute. Did you guys hear that? Bro. Did you guys hear that? Leave in the comments if you heard that. It was like this person going, ah! Yeah! And then they said something, but I didn't really know. Yo, when I edit this, oh my god. Yo. What was that, bro? That was sketchy. That was so sketchy. That could have been like, fight my dog. That could have been like anything, man. I don't know what that was. I really don't know what that was. Like, that was weird. It was like, That was so weird, guys. What could that be? What do you guys think that was? What do you guys think that was? I have no clue what that could be. At all. I really don't have a clue. I was doing terrible too. I wanted to make up for it. But, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. That person messed me up. I don't know what that noise was. That was weird. Leave in the comments if you heard that. I'll see you guys in the next video.